Hello, lovely people of Ghana. It's all about GRANDPA1 TV. Please, we want you to subscribe, share, comment, and like our videos on YouTube. We plead with you to watch it every day, every night. We want you to enjoy the best of all. GRANDPA TV 1, the best.
Whoa, Cocotaco. Oh, Consul, Piago. I don't feel come back to. To my dear Monsieur Lemony, I just say. Yeah, funny, sir. I say next time on near how you be see it. Yes, so far as I can be full of yes, I don't feel you.
Dash, as mamma kind.
Ha! Yeah, Mo. Oh, where do I see is believing? Ha! How the edge? I was here. Oh, my blood. Oh, where just my blood. My blood. Catch it. It's one, your mom won't hear you. It's one. Hey, a job. And to what you buy your baba say, I will put on to whom I want to. That's my mom. A jar war penny, Miss Lowe. And you can't tell us. Oh, boy, you matter didn't want to two. Her buttons are going to
come me back. Young cow back catch them, Miss Mimi Kasawale. Me out one ya now to groom it. And that's what you want you one day. So I said, you're making nap. I won't say I'm pen no crack.
Eja, where your penny? My main car, someone chill. Sabi, me to one of Miss Menyabo from a near Fikakra. Shadio. Obaba, you, Jinawi. Eja, what tata, me crum hat tata, me tata, Mr. Opemi. Now, Sammy man, Peneso, some in the better now. And your baby, I'm a Fabio best semi lines. Miss Obama would not want Pemia, and Mutia Namsuma or Samia. Fogana, Machu Winter, a Jawa true force in a dance new about when you Busano. Eh, Union will pay me, and then I make us some way up me. You know, Miss Penny. It's when I come had it. No, you know, still want Joe. Don't kind of know, say.
Just say, at least. I some no kind of dear.
At least I've been with you. At least I've been with you. Me, I got some bonjo. Hey, Casa.
Your kind of dear, you know, crop pay me. But me, man, can't and say, me, peno, me say. Mamma could assume you so now, me, you know, one. Hey,
me be pale. Me be pale. Ah, Mamma can't tell no. Me be pale. One of the pay me and I say, I'm be pale.
One of the pay me.
Now I'm very sure sister one to many more say, one of who fair was some in the water. Ah?
No food and Kawunya Yanka.
Ah, they quite where 40 feet contain the moon of the Kogu and I say 60 feet.
Hey, and they say trendy.
Mebo. Hey, Kasawale.
Yes.
Ah, wow. As when you are Kasawan, you. Nessa, a yawa, and waya. So, they say to Ubaka me, it's a seminary.
Yeah, Papa. Me, you tell me back at you and say, she. The way I was sit to say, ye no. I crum high ye bush ye would dean. Yeah, I wish I was say dinner, you want to be your bear man for no. And your honor saying to crow and die with her. Now we ever phone to crow and the papa and say, yeah. Yeah.
Hey, President.
Oh, a Cassini. A Janabe.
Hey, whom why do you mean now? Say, I'm from no. Men never from no. Hey, I tell you. I tell you, baby, sape. That's a one way. Why we ain't your penny, no? It would be ah, why do you know? Hey, I said, Master Majubo. Hey, catch it. We need baby. Go fear. Sir,
I jam meet you, whatever meet you.
go fear. Sapa Baya, Bleffia Bayamamele. Jawoye. I quite be the boy, you must sit down, Jim. Would you can't tell when I have a fan?
Eja mate.
Edianko mu so na gina ho no. Edua wo ho, edianko mu.
Eja wada ma bebe fi. Why?
Enti blafie be fi amamle. Fi se we no. Amamle pesa de no. Eti amamle.
Bacho mate.
So ati ase. Blafie ni antena se. Na abusua. Hey. Atase ya. Mwani na. Blafie ni antena se. Ni afa amamle. Ni afa ye tu ye. So ati ase.
Mate.
Dio. Hey!
Oh,
hey!
I know ye na mafo ya bakwan ya faso ja ye mpena fo hono no.
Say skirt o.
Me agre mambo.
So free British o. Sahio.
Kamba.
Hey! Papa we na ebabu hwe we de enye, e mane mba fie mane mba hu. Enye.
Mpacho bibia.
We de Peter kan ya boss na we mo ya Jesus si jan no kan ho.
Ani ahia fo.
Aja on se matu kwan na mabakro yi mu. Eno nti na sebe me mpese me fa de me ntimi mfa ni machi nkokoro mu ho. O se me fa de metimi di nako.
Enye papa. Em so wo skirt we ni die de na emu.
Oba kuno.
Wo wo skirt we no ma de na ayo sei timbadua.
Jo. Oh. So where you see your life? Oh where you? They said that ayi mu kan chemu na fa wo.
Ena duanko mu na wo
Kan chemu. Ena duanko mu so na gina ho. Fekon wa kan so. Me kan so. O so konkon ni. Wadi konkon sasa. Wow, where you? Na no se bia na me abaya gina ho. Na akofle wuni. Abaye. Ko hwini. Jom na mi nya kwai. Me no aso mo ano no. Jom. Nunu fu beblebe. Wo, ene na mu wo. Na me na mu wo. What? Ko hwe oni.
Ene de wayi mi ama.
Oh.
Okay.
Ya wi ahame. Eti wa adi awu ye ntie ma. Adi awu ye ma.
Na se we nya boni.
Fokon wa me kana iya no. Me kana iya no. Apoda mo nam tete ya pa na sa na mbatoto. Da bi sa na mbatoto. Krasini. Kama fa akwa. Dum. Na ho ma bro. Kwa.
Boy ni ka ni papa oba ma o schedule.
Shaki beka.
O hie ni
Ma me na ba no. Shaki. Ya penalty azitati. Shia. Obi de ka besia no. Ene dia akwa. Oh podam. Kai Isaac am jojo na tai kra. Krasini. We am say ketu dia.
We have an important message for all of you, especially if you live in a country that is right now facing the new coronavirus. The pandemic is growing exponentially in many countries. But the Czech Republic is one of the few in Europe that has significantly slowed down the spread of the virus. In this video, we would like to tell you what we did differently, and mainly, we would like to help you to do the same. We are following social distancing and the rules stay at home. But others do that too. We also have strict hygienic procedures. Others do that as well. But the main difference is everyone who has to leave their house has to wear a face mask. Everyone.
I know. They may be told you that masks wouldn't protect you, but there are studies proving that even a homemade mask can be partially protective. Partially. Any protection is essential today. But now the more important thing. Masks fundamentally prevent the transmission from you to others by sneezing, coughing, but also breathing. And many people are the most contagious before they start showing symptoms. So, when we both have a face mask, I protect you, you protect me, and we are both safe.
Based on recent data, we know that population-wide use of masks is essential for suppression of the outbreak.
According to our professional experience, a simple homemade mask can prevent up to 100% of the spread of potentially infected microdroplets.
The more people use masks, the less virus can be distributed and fewer individuals are exposed.
Just a few days ago, people were laughing at those who wore masks. But some people knew about this positive effect and started to share this information across social media. The message grew fast through artists, influencers, and others. I know, face masks aren't in stores, right? But something incredible happened. People started making homemade masks and giving them to others for free. Many companies, theaters, or even retirement houses changed their buildings into sewing rooms, and thousands of people started to sew masks at home. So we know that face masks work, and it has been repeatedly confirmed by scientists. We know that it is possible in just 3 days to provide face masks for 10 million people in one country. And we know that here we have fundamentally repressed the infection. Please share this knowledge and help us to change as many countries as possible. Take a picture with your face mask on and share it with the hashtag #MasksForAll. It can really save lives. And remember, I protect you, you protect me.
I recommend to all fellow ministers and governments to implement population-wide use of face masks, even homemade ones. Today we see that this was one of the most important decisions that we have made. And if it helped here, it can help anywhere.
Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, liking, and please don't forget to share. Thank you.
Hello viewers. And now we are back. Good one and me come for GRANDPA1 TV now. GRANDPA TV back with the baby. Me and my son say, mon share. Namon subscribe, mon share, namon like my game. Mamma, Nick, baby, I'm UK 4, London 4, US 4. The corner doors is the moon. Yes, there's a Sudan and a Sudan and mon share GRANDPA1 TV. Namon subscribe.
Ghana 4, Metia 4. Me fancy for nyina na na eboa mebiem.
Yo, I am Muhammad Share Rastlin, aka
Hi, this is your girl Beneza Sari. Jama suna Sofia. Obetimi afre me Hannah Johnson. Eno na sinifo nyina edinmu.
So, my catch say TV station, wa hu na ye boa wo ho ne Nyankopon no onim wiase. Me si awurade ma mimidi nkoka bebe ono Nyankopon no na no ye den ekoka. Na ne eboa me na mennie ene masamba GRANDPA1 TV.
GRANDPA1 TV. GRANDPA1 TV.
GRANDPA1 TV.
GRANDPA1 TV.
GRANDPA1 TV.
GRANDPA1 TV.
GRANDPA1 TV.
The TV station bakwa eweye mremi Nyankopon de amaye. E de ade na wo pa onya. Ye wo pe bia obenya.
E de na wo pese wo ti no wo so. E de ahoheka na wo pese wo nya. Ze entertainment. Football honsem. Sini honsem. E de be se wo pese woni ji. Na areho kusunsu. Ma woni nyi tambia. Se wo pese woni ji eji na hu se yes woni agi wa ablabo mu dia. Hwe GRANDPA1 TV.
Say TV no na ne eboa me gina ha mi wo hobi. Me de mafutu system ne yeden mabo awura ho. Mabo awura ho. Etimi fancy fo nyina wo fra adwuma ba. Se wadi bi awie na se wa menya. Bo modia na tena wakonyam ka wo na anya den eto so. Bowura YouTube abonten so. Me say bowura YouTube abonten so. Udu ho na so pe GRANDPA1 TV. Me say GRANDPA1 TV. Bowura ho no ma na wa subscribe. Wo subscribe we ya na wo share. Bo modia na share. Mo hon konkron no share mo obi anya bi. Otete pressure so. Me ba mam say betete mo pressure so. They say broken heart and crofo frame say so broken heart nyina so ate. What Obia Boy and the press and you know swat. TV papa also be na near boa honor. GRANDPA1 TV.
Let's share, let's subscribe. GRANDPA1 TV.